Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here watching your dollars on this Tuesday morning, the 23rd of August. Saw an interesting headline in the money section of USA Today, and it says here, SPDR Gold Trust ETF outshines rest. All right, let me explain what that headline means. SPDR, those are Standard & Poor's Depository Receipts. That's often referred to, if you ever watch CNBC or any of the other business channels, they call them spiders, okay? Spider Gold Trust. This is an exchange-traded mutual fund that you can invest in that invest in gold. You can buy shares of this mutual fund. And what the reference to the rest of this, ETF is an exchange-traded mutual fund. It's a mutual fund that trades on the New York Stock Exchange, and you can buy and sell it anytime you want. The traditional mutual fund, Franklin, a Vanguard, a Fidelity fund, is what they call a open-ended mutual fund. Those are the ones you buy, and it only trades at the end of the day based upon its net asset value. Outshines the rest. For the very first time, what this story references is that for the first time in history, more money is invested in gold ETFs, the Spider Gold ETF, than in the S&P 500 ETF. That is an amazing change. It's about $78 billion in the gold ETF compared to about $74 billion in the S&P 500 exchange-traded mutual fund. I know it's a lot of technology and a lot of technical garb there, but basically what it says is that more money is flowing into gold and prices going up than it is into the stock market. If you are a contrarian, and I think I pretty much am a contrarian, that means that you go opposite of trends, okay? So with so much money flowing into gold, you say to yourself, something's wrong there. You don't want to follow the herd. You don't want to be the last one in, okay? And I'm not suggesting that you should get out of your gold. I don't know what's happening. Gold's up to almost $1,900. We've had a big correction in stocks. But usually you want to be on the other side of the trade in times like these. So think about that. If you're invested in gold, God love you. I'm glad it's working out for you. I hope it continues to work out for you. But I hope you also realize that most of the long-term wealth that's been established in this country has come from investing with a long-term perspective in the stock market rather than the hot area. And certainly that applies for gold right now. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.